I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can withdraw funds from a watch-only wallet on Trust Wallet. So, for example, here, if I go to my extension on Trust Wallet here, and let's pretend this is a watch-only wallet, right? And a watch-only wallet looks like this, right? And it's in the name, it's watch-only. You're basically just monitoring a wallet, and you can't withdraw or access it because it's watch-only. You can only see what's in it, like the balance, what kind of transactions in it, but you cannot access it, right? So how do we withdraw funds from it? So we'll need to import the wallet, the watch only wallet onto our Trust Wallet, right? And you can only do this if you have the private key or you have a 12-word secret phrase. So for example, here, if I go to Trust Wallet on my extension here, I'm gonna go to my wallet section here, and I'm gonna click on add new wallet. Now on add a new wallet, just click on import or recover wallet, and then just enter in your password here for Trust Wallet. Let me enter in mine real quick like this, and then when I click on next, oh, now, once I enter in my password, you will need to add in your 12-word secret phrase, right? So when you first make your watch-only wallet, you will be given a 12-word secret phrase like this. Just enter all of that in, and then after that, your wallet, your watch-only wallet, will be imported as a normal wallet, right? So it'll look like this, exactly like this, and then you can send, receive, and of course withdraw funds like from it like normal. If you want to know how to withdraw funds, just click on sell here, and then you can sell your Ethereum for USD. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.